Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Late and hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super quick and simple dress shaped card for a little girl. If you like it, let's have a look how to create it. For my card, I use a cutting die from my stash in the shape of a dress. And using it, I'm going to die cut two panels using 300 GSM white multi-purpose card, one for the front and one for the back of the card. Then using my colorful Easter collection, I chose one of the design papers and I'm going to die cut the dress that will go on the front of the panel. When this is ready, as you can see, we also have that beautiful stitched element on all the edges. Now we can assemble the front element with the design paper. And to do it, I'm going to use my liquid glue, the one and only liquid glue, because I will have time to maneuver all those elements. If you haven't created any shaped cards, I do recommend you give it a go. Not only it is super simple if you have some cutting dies, but you also can use some nesting dies from your stash. Now using my scoring board from Crafter's Companion, I'm going to create a top flap on the back panel. And to do it, it's always a good idea to place your element and then use your bond folder to create that top flap. And that is the way to go for me when it comes to the shaped cuts. I think it is the easiest and the quickest way to do it. Now it is time to fold that line and burnish it. Super quick and simple, and attach it with a liquid glue. Have you ever created a card for first birthday? If you haven't, I really hope you'll feel inspired. I knew that the little girl is going to wear blue and pink dress. That's why I decided to create this card with all those elements and colors. What's really good about this cutting die set, actually the card stands proudly on a flat surface. So using an SVG file from Creative Fabrica and my ScanNCut machine, I cut all those flowers using two different colors of blue, the light and the dark pink. Now I'm going to shape all those flowers using the eraser on my pencil. So yes, you can do that as well if you don't need any special shaping tool. And now I'm going to start placing all those flowers from the very bottom of the dress. And when you use a liquid glue, you do have time to place those elements where you want. And to be honest, it was such a quick cut to make. And as I told you, for your shaped cards, you can also use some nesting dies from your stash, or you can create your own template like I did for the Green Lantern. And I'm going to leave that link at the very end of this video so you can check it out. So as you can see, I already have all those flowers ready. And what's really good about any SVG files, you can make those elements as big or as small as you want, which means you can always fit them on your projects. And I left the link to that SVG flower element in the description down below so you can check it out if you want. I wonder, how often do you use your electronic cutting machines to create your cards? Because I absolutely love my ScanNCut machine and I can create any personalized projects I want. And later, for this card, I'm also going to cut the name of the recipient. So I designed it on my Canvas workspace for ScanNCut machine, and what's really good, you can also choose any fonts that you want that you've got on your computer, which I think is super cool. And when all those flowers are ready, as you can see, all the petals are already shaped, which gives you that 3D look. And that's what I really wanted to achieve here. But I also want to place some pink flowers as well. And that will be very nice variation. However, when I go up with all those flowers, I'm going to leave some space in between. So at the very bottom, I'm going to have more of the flowers for extra interest. And what's really good about my colorful Easter collection, it is so beautiful with lots of colors. And I really wanted to show you that you don't need to use my collection only for Easter. And I know it is Easter Monday today, but to be honest, you can use that collection for any project, like in this case for first birthday shape card. So if you like colors, I left the links to Buy Me a Coffee website with my collection, so you can check it out. You can also get the design papers, not only the full collection, so check the links in the description down below. And as you can see, that light pink really works well with the design paper from Colorful Easter collection. And when this is ready, I created the name of the recipient using gold card from Crafter's Companion. At the moment, it is my go-to. So if you want to check it, I left the link in the description down below. So when this is ready, then we can add even more interest to the whole card. And to do it, all we have to do is to add some butterflies. So I'm going to use Timeless Butterflies from Crafter's Companion. And as you can see, I've got a lot already die cut. Yes, I did spend some time doing it, but in the end it is worth because you'll have all the elements ready for your projects. I've got 3 blue butterflies that will match the beautiful flowers on the dress, and also that very light purple butterfly that will match the design paper as well. And I knew that for Jessica's first birthday, they're going to have some beautiful butterfly balloons. So that's why I really wanted to incorporate them here as well. So that will be a very nice card to keep for many, many years. How often do you create very special, personalized birthday cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now it is time to add some gems on the flowers for extra sparkle. And to be honest, I really think all those flowers needed those gems, and the card is nearly completed. All we have to do now is to add the last butterfly. And for the purple one, I really wanted it to stay on the flowers, just for extra interest. And when this is ready, there is plenty of space to write your message inside. And the card goes flat in the envelope, which is really, really cool. Have you seen my video with 3 First Communion cards? If you haven't, the link is at the top right corner. So the card stands proudly on a flat surface, and you can write very personalized and long message inside. So what do you think about this shaped dress? Do you like it? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe on the channel if you haven't already. And see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!